How to install Ansible in the latest Ubuntu 23.04? Today we are going to talk about the easier way to install and maintain Ansible inside Ubuntu 23.04 with the distribution tools. I'm Luca Berton and I'm an Ansible automation expert. Okay, how to install Ansible in Ubuntu 23.04? Today we are talking about how to install Ansible in Ubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster. We are going to see the easy way to install and maintain Ansible inside Ubuntu with the distribution tools. We are going to see how to install Ansible in one different way. First method is to install Ansible using the universe repository, the default that you get after installation. The main advantage of using the universe repository is that you don't require any external repository. The second method is to install Ansible using the PPA repository. Please bear in mind that adding an additional repository has different quality assurance in software. And now, demo time. Let's see how to install Ansible in Ubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster with Universe repository. Let's suppose we already have a Ubuntu 23.04 box, for example, and connected directly to the terminal. Will be the same operation with a SSH connection using username and password. So let me switch to root user, the one that has superpower in Linux, and in this case using sudo su command. Let me cut the /etc/lsb release so you can check it out. This is Ubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster. First operation is actually to update all the packages repository using apt-get update, and now we can jump directly to apt-get install Ansible, or first of all we can check it out the status of the packages. In this case, let me use apt-cache search for Ansible. We are going to obtain two different results for Ansible community package and Ansible-core. Bear in mind that Ansible community package depends on the Ansible core. You can check it out more information using apt-get show and the name of a package. So in this way you are able to see, for example, apt-cache show Ansible that depends from Ansible core. Same way for Ansible core, you can check it out the version, in this case 2.14.2. This is very important and we are going to check it out later. So back on business, let's install the package. You can also verify the status of a package using apt-list Ansible. In this case, there is only one package available and it's not installed. So let's install using apt-install Ansible. In a blink of an eye is installed from the repository. In this case, I'm on ARM processor, so the speed depends really by the speed of the network, also the bandwidth and the performance of your machine. As you can see, the installation process is pretty quick and we can verify that everything was successfully installed using the Ansible -- version command, for example. And okay, of course, we can use also the distribution tools to verify that the packages are actually installed on the system. But I prefer the Ansible -- version command so we can check it out the exact version running on the system. As expected, 2.14.2, the same version of a package is running on this system. I think it's pretty new and this is a great result from the Ubuntu team. Now the sky is the limit. We are ready to start our automation. We can check it out also with apt-list Ansible that is showing the package successfully installed, as well also for Ansible core that is a dependency for Ansible. If you are running on a Red Hat-like system, you're going to use probably the RPM tool for checking out if Ansible package is installed. It's not this case, just forget about this step. And here we are. Cool! Now you know how to install Ansible using Universe repository in Ubuntu 23.04 Lunar Lobster. Thank you for watching. I hope this lesson was useful for you. See us on the next automation adventure. Yay!